Dr. Bawumia will also will become president, and he will surround himself with these cobras, with these anacondas. They will purposely some beba aba sabotage the governance until the news wade hunu ane ni nim dia o person wade beboa ga na nyina obefa sabi akohwe abaafuo bi ene nipa bonefuo bi ayemonwunofuo bi atwa ne ho ahia ene ochene bi no na eyen ma yenya Dr. Mujidi aye campaign man no simply because of sabio gidi aye wo wani mu no na akoye bibio ho enti abusuafo yi mesremo senior doctor oye no ebeye ni die mu onto aso saa onko ne saa level no odi o mato no onfo monto saa level no nyese o chene bi no obey I'm going to call these people you hear unity so why here wo mo amfa we need prime minister I'm telling you senior na no obi babetena mu ebe ka o campaign ho ebe bo ogumbe no mesraw saa na afia se wo san 2020 to kofa ne beka ho a obesa be bo abro biem enti ebe beta eso obeka so wate ne ho no okote na abro party no dan say obakwa so for the sake of peace ebia for formality sake obakwa ko hu no I get it, I understand that, but to bring them closer, trust me, when somebody tells you and somebody shows you that they hate you, when somebody shows you that they are your enemy, you keep them at an arm's length. Oh my name
period.
Oh, and I make us a party and Kampomunti. I believe Dr. Bawumia will do the same. But all that I'm saying is he should keep these people at an arm's length. On too close to the extent to say that omoba positions abe cause damage. And then Professor Frimpong Boateng catch the say because Nana the second term ya many post into the second term na nko yie. Look at this person. Meanwhile, we don't Koto Lands Commission. Oko chance asema obako ye galamsey. And when people were charging Nanado with galamsey, you were a major contributing factor. And so when no watching who ejinante we ye na say you penny a watan. E ka kire ye say onu ni free second term ni muti but no reviso oko say damage bi to first term ni. And no na ripple effect ni ba second term ni. Enti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enkofobia yi omusu medi atro da wunyame ase ese 2024 when win na nyankopon ayi watamfo nyina di atro na watamfo nyina atwa mo ho ahia omo kan bom na omo fa me cabal etiawo eye enipa woti wiase kwa na woni opposition you should be worried as nobody is opposing you. You should be so what wiase na obia pe wasama that should be a cause of worry fa who say no and not all is not well with you because not everybody cannot like you like that. Because abuse will be omunyina apa wasama obi plan so obeku a wonyo obi mani mpie mfiri na normal because all of them are pretending to like you. But obi mpa wasama obetimi de akodi nkomo well baby am obi ate abebo amanye. And doctor should be grateful to God said he lost 2024 election and with time no nyankopon are exposing the real enemies ana owo who were disguising themselves as friends no nyankopon amomo we hu ye friends say friend enemies ni nyina eti put me di besia na obi nso ede akabi
medase nyame intwa parents una edros
me hwe bibia me hu se we di afa na edrum so
nyame so
meda manfo ase pa so ma fire maye
yeah
yes Marcus Wycliffe Quia do lady C Krofa is it Agu Chembe
Agune Chemba
oh okay Agune Chemba and no more muti nyina yada bia ase massive support no mo de Bawumia no
yeah
Mr. Timmy position BCC Marcus de Wycliffe ma mu ne mekakra say after these elections Bawumia sa akọ reference akọ for the say momra na yensa ankoye party ni yeni ankoye campaign ade a me major Bawumia chidi. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Yes. After this particular election Bawumia ko ken na se ko ka che ken say oh ya ye bibia wie nto the Branians ankoye campaign edru ba bia on esese wutimi tinte su kokko ogufo yenkofo bi o ha o ma kire wo se o mo mpe wasem o ma kire wo se o mbenya kra na wo ni wiase just because of party politics na o munya o menya party ni so mfa so o mo na afi de o ma turn against the party Na the Kennedy kwaye ye no. Me nyan hwɛ video ni bi. But makenkan ho nsɛm online. Me hu ni sɛ ɛyɛ ni wuo. Ani ewu pɔtɔɔ. But mami musa amanfo sɛ ba sɛ woyɛ bibi na wani wu ade na woyɛ. Onse nkofo bu abi a baabi nipa wo ko ba avoid onko.
Na adwene da otum no walusu.
Aha, one obu a obeka say eh we dey make am ni be we nko. Obu a obesu. Your nkofo so wo ha they will show aggression.
Yeah.
Ya chill pass we wi ade. Enya me ahwe mo betima me dan na ni ewu no no. Aha, eti bra obowura wa very distinguished individuals. Nipa Oma Bobra from former President Akufo-Addo. And Michael Quay nominee important people. Now after the honor reflecting the actions in some wakika and no ma why ye no. Okotena ho dia ohun de onye ohun say Dabi nkofo beka say ne asem na bu agu so ntima menye bibi. David ofa paper na ha. But omo nyina the distinguished individuals omo bobre nyina nim nipa ko a oye said Dabi you are acting because you feel ashamed. One kasa wo actions ni wo inactions no a kire say when you would ye waye nyina ho enu ntina na opese wo criticism no enti MPP delegates say bibia kan hwenkyere wa de esi enra no should speak to the delegates. As I say, who do party no party no.
Yeah.
Me many pa na nka vote we pa open vote. Na omo
obi ato baby obi a etoko.
Yes, nka omo beto amaka nyina ye hu nipa ko ni omanim.
Enti current sa nneoma we nyina nti ususu say akompre kwa Japan to abama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia 2024.
How? Now how? Is that possible?
One kwa tu aba one kwa kra. One kwa
Me busa o, is that really possible? Say, can Japan beko no akoto abama ai Bawumia.
Bush for boot enti wo etan a ewo papa we mu e de ma Kennedy wutimi say bisa sa question we. Kwana kwadi koko.
Enti boot. Yes. Now he has deepened his irrelevance within the party. He's now so irrelevant to people now. Now I am there say ono two am na no sinking who. Yes. I say obi o han ko ye nkakra I say opewa still nipa bedi nachi. But Ken is losing support by the day. Almost every hour, every day, bia obekasa normal or ye no. Nipa bia no my dreams or me MPP people mo peke no. They fall out. Na me meniaje is adding more votes to Bawumia. Me person delegates send a signal. Signal ben will be to my send a resounding victory. Any year, says some Bawumia percentage will be able to say Ken Yempeno. They said the other year Alan. After I said Alan, Oni Akufo-Addo year we are about 2010. I to abano when you are 20-something%. But you bedu 2013, 2012, that the vote now as what about 14. Just overwhelmingly people rejected him. Into no, and he was the free party. Now we the death sentence for Kennedy Japan. Minimum say obe free party. Now when free mumpa
Obetete ye.
Say MPP party no. That be what is obetete ye.
Masa. On did you be
no ya be pamo no ya
Mame show the entire makers are when free mumpa and his likes. After say Bawumia be wini awie no. Afi na mo bete the top down approach na say.
Lady see what done for us was obe picking there.
Why?
But me say after say
but you serious. Let's focus to.
But you make it you. Say Bawumia wini we are. You better the top down approach na say. Okay? Say executives, memaka na mesa kabiem. From national to the polling station. Wunya lawyer to the MPP, wunya position one po. So Bawumia winning ya. And that is where Jerry John Rawlings assembly Operation House Cleaning will clean the house. Now the MPP is not going to be owned. The MPP is not going to be owned by the elite. Now from what I home there on biti Miami. Me dey make commit them at wo. Ma Bawumia winning we. Yes, Senate executives in we. We get pro Bawumia, pro MPP loyalists, and you see your rightful places. Ye be sideline wo munyina. Ye be you munyina free. And I any take party na me na den. Mo boa. We are taking them out. Since me say MPP party na we be patriotic na free my friend. The New People's Party, the MPP party will be owned by the people, the youth. Since they bear the grassroots and the Bekura party no through Bawumia, it's Bawumia victory. Equia the medical catcher and say Bawumia victory. It's not just a Bawumia person or your flag bearer. Ye person ye G party they say see what. Ne ye ni party ye ni party and then young kofobi some kind of cabal syndicate beer or my year or most yena ye ba hatchena ye DSK party ne ye ni credit degrees ye ni credit. No. For the first time, the MPP will be owned by the people. Now, we share the masses, the ordinary people. They support Bawumia. Now, Omuna says he be MPP party. And I think that in a way, they know it. They feel threatened. Omunim says, Bawumia Bwinia, that's the end of them. And that is the main reason why now they are all ganging up. Lady scene, some for our meetings, some for our call. And until I can any say a baby a pinchi, open creative pockets, a lot of chaos in different police stations near to trading them. The open yen chat about to kumpo about this election at Yekumi. Now that is the end of him. Or no one said that we yaba. It's possible say be MPP meeting and work on the last one and work with you.
Last one, crank.
Yes, I'm telling you, it's possible, sir. Meetings are yakwa kuni and the last one work on you. Well, we no top paper. You need we. Bawumia winning we near City House cleaning. No. You be you money every. Yeah, that from then is Robbie. You be you money in every party him. Who do you dismissal letters about what was so? Yempe obiana ye be ye party na ye nkofo obi no one person mkote omo party omo kote. We don't need them again because omo kire say omo ye so wicked omo mpe MPP asem. Now the am yan say these things is not coming from Marcus, it's not coming from Wycliffe Equia and Nancy Lady C. It's coming from people who have directly benefited from the MPP party. Your mouth contract $100 million. Why you move when you have 50 million at home? What messy mansions and mad do I pay our cars? What they are fat? Friend Paul Boating. Your mouth positions, free Germany buy one war. Like, look at them. Oh, mom, yes, I know money in a Shalan. And you will be a what baby say, oh, me cry my brand, my party, me ya, into after the me for me, say party, no. These are people who have benefited.
Ambassador to the US, Harlan. Trade minister 7 years. What's my say party?
Omanya party ni so mfaso. Omanya party ni so mfaso. Ya party na ma omusika omanya baby omadru omanya. And now these people have turned their back against the party. Now, omo turning ya. And yes, omo turning keke se bi ye ko ye we. Ye engineer systems, ye engineer strategies. Send ye be a party the big kura. These people are so wicked. They are so wicked. Masses na omunya free maternal care so faso. Ye cash and carry free ho omunya so faso. School feeding program. Omudu omoma ko ye omunya so faso. Free SHS omunya so faso no. These people don't care about the masses. Omu supported the ideals, the traditions, the principles of the MPP party. No, Sakofo we omu fasa masses no.
Current, me patcho me chawa no can school feeding ni. Enra ni ewo platform, wine platform po. Enra enyumle platform bia na ewo so lady bi baaye.